In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build websites completely from scratch using GoHighLevel. And these are websites where you can either charge thousands of dollars for, or if you want to, you can just charge a small monthly fee for them to host that website on your white labeled version of GoHighLevel, which I'll go ahead and show you how to go about doing that later on in this video. And building out these websites with GoHighLevel won't even take us that much time. So I'm going to show you everything A to Z, how to use GoHighLevel's website builder, also how to finish building out the website, and then how you can go about selling them. Now, if you guys are interested in signing up with GoHighLevel, I do have a link down below. And if you sign up with that link, I will give you extra bonuses and resources to help you along with your journey. And then finally, if you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe down below. Now let's get into it. So in order to build a website with GoHighLevel, you're going to have to be inside of a sub account. So if you guys don't have a sub account yet, you can go ahead and create one. Also, if you're building out this website for a business owner, you're going to want to enter the sub account for that business. And then once you do that, you just want to come over here to where it says sites. And then not only can you build websites with GoHighLevel, but you can also build funnels. So the difference between a funnel and a website is a funnel is going to have less pages, and its main goal is trying to convert leads into paying customers, while a website has a lot more pages, and it's going to have a ton of information about the business, product, or service that a business has will be showcased right here on their website, and a customer can visit the business's website to learn more information about their business, while a funnel will just have information about that specific product or service that they're selling. But for this video, we're just going to be focusing on websites. So to build a brand new website, you can just come over here to where it says new website, and then you can build this website completely from blank, or you can use one of GoHighLevel's already built out website templates. So let's just do that to make our life a lot easier. So as you can see here, GoHighLevel has a ton of templates for a whole bunch of different types of niches. Pretty much every single niche that you can think of, GoHighLevel will have a template for it. And these templates right here are pretty much 80% done. All we have to do is go ahead, choose the template that we want, add our logo to it, change up the colors, change up the text, and then if you want to, you can even change up the images. And just like that, you can build a really good website in no time. GoHighLevel will even have templates for niches that you may not even have thought about, like a donut shop, a deck builder, or a jiu-jitsu gym, hair loss consultation, and so on. And if you just come up here, you can go ahead and choose what type of category that you want to see. So if you click on home services, you're only going to get home service templates. And then if you can't find one that you want from here, you can come over here, click on all categories, and then you can just go ahead and search your niche right here. So for this example, let's just search for chiropractors. And then as you can see here, there's going to be a ton of templates for chiropractors. So let's just go ahead and choose one of these. I'm just going to do this one right here. All you have to do is click on it, and then we can go ahead, click on continue. And just like that, that template will be added into our account. And then once that's done loading, we can go ahead and click on it. And then right away, you're going to see all of the pages for that website. And if you wanted to add a new page, we can go ahead and click right here, which I'll go ahead and cover later. But for now, let's go ahead and edit the home page of this website. So we can just click right here. So this is what the website template will look like. And as you start to hover your mouse over this website, you're going to see an orange outline, a purple outline, and a green outline. And basically the green outline is going to be the entire section. And inside of the section, you're going to have elements, which again is the orange outline. And these elements can be buttons, videos, photos, headers, subheaders, bullet points, and so on. So thankfully having it this way just makes it very easy for us to edit this website. So let's say that we wanted to delete this paragraph right here. We can just go ahead, remove it by clicking the trash can. And if we undo this, we can also go ahead and move this around by clicking these arrows, and we can move this wherever we want. And then if you want to duplicate a element, you can just go ahead, click right here, and just like that, it's going to duplicate. Now let's say that we wanted to duplicate this whole entire section right here. We can just click right here until we see green, and we can go ahead and duplicate this entire section. So if we click right here and then we come down here, we're going to see that duplicated section right here. So let's just go ahead, delete this. So I'm going to show you how you can add your own elements and sections later and how you can customize that. But for right now, let's go ahead and edit the elements that this template has already. So usually the first thing that I do when building out a website is adding a logo to the website. So to do that, we can just go ahead and click on this element right here, and then we can come over here to the right and scroll down until we see where it says brand logo, and then we can go ahead, click on this image icon, and then right here is where we can upload our logo. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly do that. So here it is, here's our logo. We can just go ahead, click on this, and just like that, our logo is going to be added to this website. And then now the next thing we can do is come in here and change up all the headers and subheaders, and basically anywhere that has text. If you want to, you can keep it as is, but I do recommend that you change it. Now before you start to panic because you have no writing skills and you don't know how to write website copy, we can easily use AI to help us. So let's go over to ChatGPT, and then once you're inside of ChatGPT, you can go ahead and ask it to write you a header and a small paragraph for a chiropractor website. So I'm just going to click on enter, and just like that, ChatGPT will give us some content that we can use. Let's go ahead and copy this header right here, and then we can go back to the website, and then we can click right here and delete this text, and then paste in that new header right here, and then we can make this bold. And then right here where it says your clinic name, we can go ahead and delete this, and then for the name, we could just do this, location.name, and just like that, the business owner's name will automatically appear right here. And then we can go ahead and do the same thing for this paragraph. paragraph. We can go ahead, copy this text right here, and then we can come over here and delete this and then paste in that new text right here. And then again, wherever it says clinic name, we can go ahead and delete that and then type in location.name. And then if we want to edit the background image, we can just click on this section. And then right here where it says BG Media, this is where you can add a new background image if you want to. And then over here where it says image options, you can go ahead and change how this image looks. So we can change the size to whatever we want, and we can just make sure that this looks good on our website. Now, if you want to remove the background image, we can just go ahead and delete this right here and add our own image to this website. Now, to get images for this website, we can use a platform called Canva. So canva.com is where I get pretty much all of my graphic design work that I need done. So any logos or designs that I need, I just use Canva. With Canva, you can also get high quality photos. So right here, we can just go ahead and search for chiropractor, and then we can go over here to photos, and Canva is going to give us a ton of photos that we can use for our website. So let's just use this one right here. All we have to do is make this image look good, drag this over here, and then we can go ahead and download this image. And then once we have that image, we can go back to our website builder, and then right here where it says BG Media, we can go ahead, click this icon, upload this image in here, and then if we click on this, that image will automatically appear on our website. Now, to make this look better, we can come down here, and where it says background overlay, we can go ahead and add a fade, and then for the background color, we can change this to a dark color, but now you can't really see the text, so we can go ahead, click on this text right here, and then we can change the color of the text to whatever we want. So let's just do white, and then we can also come down here and change this to white. And then once you're satisfied with how this looks, we can go continue. If we click on this button right here, we can have this button take us to a calendar page where customers can book an appointment through the website, which I'll show you later. But pretty much to finish this template right here, you'll just continue doing what I did up here. You can go ahead, click on this image right here, swap out this image with the image that you find off of Canva. And then for the text, you can go back to ChatGPT and say, give me another header and subheader or paragraph, or you can even say, give me bullet points. And just like that, ChatGPT will write out all of your content for the website. And then if we scroll down here, these are all of the services that the chiropractor offers. So let's say that my client doesn't offer one of these services. We could just swap out one of these services for a service that they offer. And then for each of these services right here, we can have a separate page on this website. So if a customer wants to learn more about massage therapy, they can go ahead, click on this button right here, and they'll be taken to our massage therapy page where they can learn more about the service and potentially book an appointment. So guys, it's going to be very easy for us to edit this website. Pretty much everything's going to be 80% done. All we have to do is click where we want to edit and then change it to whatever we want. And like I said before, if you guys are using AI, it's not going to take you that long to write all this out. Even for this FAQ section right here, we can go to ChatGPT and I can just say, write me an FAQ for a chiropractor website, and I click on enter. And just like that, ChatGPT will give us questions and answers that we can use for our FAQ section on our website. So again, you can just copy all that over right here, and just keep in mind whatever element that you click on, which again is the orange line. Over here to the right is where you can customize that element. So if we want to customize this FAQ element, you can just go ahead over here. We can choose the style of this FAQ. You can add more questions by clicking on this plus and so on, and it's going to be like that for pretty much every single element that we click on. So if we click on this map, you come to the right, you can edit this element. We click right here on these social media icons, again come over here to the right, and you can customize the element however you like. And this will take practice. Everything might seem confusing at the beginning, but the more you practice building websites, the more everything's going to click, and the more everything's going to start becoming easier and easier. So guys, when building a website with GoHighLevel, you're going to have all of the bones that you need, and by bones I mean all the columns and elements already set up, ready to go, ready for you to click on them and edit them to your liking, change up the text, change up the images, change up the colors, etc. So if you want to, you can pretty much keep the structure the same and you don't have to mess around with it. But let's say that you want to add your own columns and elements. It's going to be very easy for us to do. Let's say that you want to add a new column right here. We can just click right here until where it says green, click on this plus, and then we can choose the size of our column. So let's just do full width, and just like that, we're going to have a brand new section right here. And now we can go ahead and add a row, and then you can choose how many columns you want inside of this section. And pretty much in each of these columns, you can add elements. So if you take a look right here and we take a look at this green section right here, as you can see here, this section has two columns, one column right here, and then the second column is right here. And in each of these columns has elements. So you have these orange boxes, which are the elements. So let's go ahead and add our own columns by clicking right here. And for this example, we can just do one column, and then we can click right here, and we can now start adding elements to this column. And these are going to be all the elements that you can add. And there's going to be a ton of elements that you can choose from. So I recommend that you just go through here and practice using each of these elements, clicking on each one of these to see what they do. So you can add a headline, subheadline, paragraph, bullet points. You can add a button. You can add a website form, video, image, an FAQ section. You can add a calendar, and so much more. So for this example, let's just add a headline, and there you go. That headline will automatically appear right here, and then we can click on this plus, and let's just do bullets, and just like that, we can start adding bullets to this website. And then if we click on this button again, let's just add a button, and if we click on this button again to customize your elements, you're just going to want to come over here to the right. So if we go over here to themes, we can choose the theme of this button. So let's just choose this one. And then if we go to general, you can change the text of this button. So we can just do book a free quote. And then where it says button actions, this is where you can link this button to a specific page. So if we click on this, you can do website URL, and then you can just add whatever website URL that you want the person who clicks on this button to be taken to. If you don't want to do that, you can click on go to page, and then right here you'll see all of your website pages, and you can click on the website page that you want that person to be taken to. You can also do open pop-up, and what this will do is open your website pop-up. So we can just go over here, click on pop-up settings, and this is what your website pop-up will look like. And again, you can add whatever elements that you want to this. You can edit this text to your liking, and then right here you can add a website form. So if you just click right here, we don't have any forms yet on this sub account, but if you did, you'll see all of your forms right here that you can click on. And then once you do that, you'll see your form right here. So this is what one column looks like, and then this is what 2 columns would look like. And then if we add another section, we can choose another one, and this is what 4 columns would look like. So if we click right here, add element, we can add whatever elements that we want in each one of these columns. So I think you guys get the idea. The best way to master using this website builder is simply by just practicing. And then if you guys are completely brand new, I recommend at the beginning you don't even add your own columns and sections and elements. I recommend that you just use the elements that are already on this website, and I recommend that you just edit the element to your liking. And then once you guys become more advanced and you guys have a better understanding of how to use this website builder, that's when you can start playing around and add your own elements and sections to this website and build these websites out in your own creative way. So guys, once you're done customizing this homepage, not only are you going to want to make sure that this looks good on desktop, you're also going to want to make sure that this website looks good on mobile as well. And to do that, we can just click right here on this mobile icon, and you're going to be taken to the mobile view, and you can see what it looks like on mobile, and you're just going to make sure that everything looks clean on here as well. And then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and save this website, and then we can come back out of here, and then you can pretty much do the same thing for the rest of these pages. You just want to edit them and make sure that they look good. So let's just go ahead and edit this calendar page right here. So for this calendar page, we can just go ahead and delete this section right here just to make it more simple, and we can just go ahead and keep this FAQ section. And then over here, let's just go ahead and delete this and delete this as well. And then if you want to, you can click on this section, come over here, and then you can replace this image with an image from Canva. So let's just go ahead, add a row, and then let's just do 2 columns right here. Let's just do a header, and then we can also do a subheader. And then for the content right here, again, we can go to ChatGPT. So right here, I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to give me a header and a subheader for a calendar page. I'm going to click on enter, and just like that, we can use this content right here. So I'm just going to copy this header, paste that right here, make this bold, and then over here to the right, we can go ahead and edit this element. So let's just move this text to the left, and then if you want to, you can change the font size. And then let's go back over here, and let's copy this subheader and then paste that subheader right here. And we can also move this to the left, and I don't really want this text to be so close next to each other. So to separate the subheader from the header, you can just click right here, and then over here where it says padding, we can go ahead and add some space. Let's just click on 20, and just like that, it's going to separate a little. And now right here, we can go ahead and add another element, and for this element, we're going to want to add a calendar. I'm just going to click right here, and then I'm just going to click on a calendar. I'm just going to use this one right here, and just like that, that calendar will appear on this website, and this is where customers can book an appointment. So once we're done editing this website, again, we can go to mobile and make sure that this looks good on mobile as well. And then when we're done, we can go ahead and save this, and then we can go back. And then once you're done with that, if you want to just preview the website, we can just click on this box right here, and then we can go ahead and see what that website will look like. And then like I said before, for each service that the local business has, it's probably going to be a good idea to create a separate page for each service, just so that a customer can go ahead and click on the service and learn more about the service. So to do that, we can just come over here, click on add new page, and we can create a new page from blank. Or to make it easier, we can just go off of one of these pages that are already here. So let's just use this page right here, and let's create a page for the laser therapy service. You can just go back, click on these 3 dots, click on settings, and then we can just name this laser therapy, and we can update page. And then once we do that, we can go ahead and edit this page, and then right here we could just name this laser therapy, make this bold. And then right here, again, we could just go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give us a paragraph on our laser therapy website page, and it's going to give us a paragraph that we can use and just paste in here. And then again, for this image, we can go ahead and delete this generic image, and then we can go to Canva. Right here, we can type in laser therapy, and just like that, we're going to get some images that we can use for laser therapy. So we can just use this one right here, download it, and then once we have that downloaded, we can just upload that image right here. And then over here, we can just add some service benefits. So I'm just going to click right here and duplicate this 3 times. And to make this look better, we can even go ahead and drag this to the left side, and we can drag this to the left side, and then for this image we can drag to the right side. So just like that, it's going to look a little better. And again, we can just ask ChatGPT to give us 3 headers and 3 small paragraphs for 3 benefits minutes of laser therapy, and then we could just add that copy right here. For the images, again, we can just come over here and use these images right here, and just like that, we can build out a page for a service in no time. So once we're done with this, we can just save this, and then we can go back. So now we can just go over here, and we could basically just do that for each service that our client has. So now let's say that we need a massage therapy page. It's going to be easy for us to build out. We can just go ahead and copy this page right here, and we can name this massage therapy, and then we could just keep the same structure. All you have to do is change the text and the images of this page, and just like that, we're going to have a page for massage therapy, and then we could just keep doing that. We could just keep cloning these pages and changing up the content until we've covered every single service that the business owner has. And then now all I would have to do is just connect each of these buttons right here with each of those pages, and it's going to be as simple as that. Now if you guys are having trouble building out a website for a business owner, let's say that you don't have any ideas or you don't know how to structure the website, you can get some ideas from going to Google. And then once you're in Google, you just want to search for your niche. So I'm just going to type in chiropractors near me, and then if we go over here to Google My Business listings, these are going to be the top businesses in your area. And one of the reasons why they're the top businesses in your area is because they have a really good website. So we can just simply click on this business right here, open up their website, and we can just go through their website and get some ideas on how we can build our website. We can see what's working for them, what type of pages they have, what type of buttons they have, what type of content they have, etc. Now if we go back, we can go ahead and search for another one. Let's just click on this website, and again, we can just come through here, get some ideas, see what this business is doing, see how many pages they have. We can even click on their website form and use the same questions that they're using. So guys, if you just spend some time, go through Google, search up your client's competitors, you will get some ideas on how you can build your own website. And again, thanks to AI, it's not going to be that hard for us to do. So now that you guys have completed your website, you are going to want to connect your client's domain to this website. So to do that, we're just going to come over here to settings, and then over here where it says domains, and then we can click on new domain, and then you just want to add your client's domain right here. So for this example, we're going to be doing spineharmony.com, and then we're going to have this checked on because we also want the www.spineharmony.com. And now you can either add this record manually, or you can do it automatically by clicking on continue. And basically what needs to happen is you need to add a couple DNS records inside of your client's domain provider. So if we click on add record manually, these are the two records that you need to add. And you can also watch a video for help, or sometimes depending on what type of domain provider that your client has, you may be able to do this automatically, but if not, don't worry, it's going to be easy to add these manually. And if you need help, you can just reach out to GoHighLevel support, and they'll go ahead and help you. So once you've connected your domain, you'll see your domain right here. And then if we go back and we go to our website and we go to settings, if you added the domain in correctly and you click right here, you'll be able to see your client's domain right here. And once you click on it, that domain will automatically connect to this website. Now, after you add your domain to this website, there is one last thing that you can do, and that's add a favicon image. So if you don't know what a favicon is, it's basically these little images right here that you see at the top of the page. And right now this website doesn't have one. So to add a favicon to this website, all you want to do is paste in the favicon image URL right here. So to get that URL, we can just go back, click on our website, edit one of these pages, and then we can go ahead, click right here and add an image anywhere on this page. And then we can just click right here, upload from library. And then all you want to do is upload your client's logo icon. So here's mine. And just like that, you're going to see that image right here. And all you want to do is copy this link in here. And then once you have that copied, you can just exit out of here and make sure not to save. And then you just want to go back to the settings, and then right here where it says favicon URL, you just want to paste that link that you copied in here and then click on save. And then just like that, you're going to have a favicon connected to this website, and you're going to be all ready to go, ready to give this website to the business owner. So guys, I just want to quickly go over the two ways you can go about selling this website. So you can do it the traditional way, which is just charging a high ticket price. And with this, you're not going to really have any consistency. Some months you might sell 2 websites, some months you might sell 1 website, and other months you might sell 0 websites. So with the traditional method, it's great because you're charging a lot of money. You're charging $1,000, $2,000 for the website. But once you sell the website to the business owner, that's it. You part ways and they no longer pay you. So you have to constantly be going out and finding new clients. Now this way is still great, and you can sell websites this way and have a really good business. But you can also do this new untapped method, which is selling businesses on your white label website builder. So if you think of any like website builder out there like Wix or WordPress or even Shopify, people pay a small monthly price to use those softwares. And with GoHighLevel, we're able to white label their platform and make it our own website builder. And this is how we can build monthly recurring revenue, because instead of our clients just paying us one time, they're going to be paying us $97 to $497 every single month. If you want to, you can even tell the business owner that you'll build out the website completely for free, and all they would have to do is pay to host the website on your software. So this is what my login page looks like. And just like any website builder out there, customers will have to log into the website builder to access everything. So as you can see here, this is where my clients will log into my software. And once they do that, they'll get access to their own sub account like this. And you can choose what your client has access to. So as you can see here, there's a ton of features right here. But if you don't want your client to see this stuff, you can go ahead and remove it for your client. And your client can just come over here to the sites and they'll see their website that you built for them. And they can go ahead and customize their website just like they can do with any website builder. And for this website builder alone, you can charge a small monthly price. Now, if you want to make even more money with your white label website builder, you can upsell them on other features of GoHighLevel. So if you want to give them an all-in-one inbox, or if you want to help them automate their website or other aspects of their business, you can do so. You can sell them on reputation management. And with this feature, they can go ahead and start racking reviews on Google so they can rank higher in the search engine. And you can get really creative on what type of features you want to upsell with your website builder. So whichever method that you choose to use when selling websites, that's how you can build a fully custom website using GoHighLevel. Now, if you do want to learn more about this new untapped method, I do have a free course that you can check out down below that'll show you how to set up your own white label software. Also, again, if you sign up to GoHighLevel using my link down below, I will go ahead and send you all of my bonuses and resources to help you along with your journey. Also, if you guys found some value in this video, I would appreciate it if you subscribe down below. I'll see you in the next one.